Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix, and today we've got a new client. I've got a client here transitioning from interlocking to comb twist and palm roll technique, and I wanted to show you guys his journey that he's just starting with me. He's got a mohawk cut, and he's only got locks like to the center of his head, and we're going to groom him. He is a longtime friend of mine, but I've never done his locks before, and his locks is only like 4 years old. So let's see.
I got ya.
Look on Jesus in my house.
Talk that rubbish. You know what? I go at my cousin's funeral, right? And then my live stream.
Yeah.
And everybody they ask if Jesus was walking. I'm thinking, Jesus, what would I see?
Him do look like Jesus, don't it? And the talking truth, a Jesus man. But anyways, I'm gonna inspect his hair now, and as I'm looking in his hair, I noticed that some of the strands are like really broken, or some of the strands are like really small. So you've got small, medium, and large size locks. And he said to me during the lockdown time, he was bored, never have nothing to do, so him just start twining him here, and him just do it and do it and do it, and then him just leave it, and then this is it. So he started his locks off with natural form, and he's been going to this girl doing it, but she been doing interlocking, and then she changed from that to another one. So they only do interlocking, they don't do groom, they don't do palm roll, they just do interlocking, they don't do defuzzing or anything. They just do the interlock, and then he goes. So it never looks like it's groomed. So now I'm going to introduce him to my way of doing things and my method. And I'm doing the comb twist palm roll method for my locks maintenance. I'm just applying my nettle and horsetail crown strengthening oil. And this is going to help me to massage his scalp to help stimulate the blood flow of the scalp and bring the blood, more to the surface of the hair itself, and that's going to stimulate hair growth. So I'm just talking to him about, what he can do to maintain this look. Oh, I forgot to let you know, I gave him a wash as well. So he used the nettle shampoo and he loves it. So I'm going to make sure that he goes away with a bundle today. So yeah, after washing, I oil and I use the cream, and then now we can start, doing our maintaining. I'm selling the shampoo and the spray, the Crown Ross. 2 days ago, I see him. No, the oil and the Crown Ross, I see. The man have a no durag. No durag at all on his head, Peter. None. And here a show. Man, here a grow. So I said, Jesus. Him said that oil what you have is nothing to joke about.
Trust me.
And I believe him because I see it with mine. I grow back my hair. I chop off my hair before I go to Jamaica. I know my hair can't keep up in a one.
Your hair grow fast doing it. Your hair was long.
It's going to get long again.
Let's see.
I get long, but I get long healthy. I want to do it the healthier way. You get me? Without the needle. The needle mash up my hair, man. It pull out my follicles. Your hair is so nice, though.
You like it?
Nice. It's just that you're in the wrong hand.
She not palm roll anything. She does book.
No,
She done.
No, she take your money. That's what she been doing. Taking your money. My palm roll the man them and them look neat. Fucking come and drop like my pregnant. Yeah, them come in if you get them hair done neat. So I'm making them neat. Cause we used to do interlocking with all of my clients them, and so we started this with them. Them say, Ross, we prefer this one. So now all my clients have transit from interlocking to palm rolling technique, and their hair is thriving healthier and stronger. I'm not saying that interlocking is going to damage your hair. It all depends on the stylist, how tight you do it, etc., etc. But I have to say, over a period of time of doing it constantly, over a period of time of just keep on tugging onto the follicles, in my opinion, it's going to cause traction alopecia over time. And especially if you do the interlocking and then you style on top of that. So the interlocking is tight and then the style is tight. God help the scalp, because no hair not going to left in the follicles for you to even adorn yourself with. It's going to be patchy, thin, edges gone, baldness, hair loss, all of these issues. So for me to eliminate that or prevent it from occurring, I'm doing the palm rolling technique, and I've converted everybody over to the palm rolling technique. So whenever I get a new client, I tell them that, listen, I used to do interlocking, but I don't do interlocking anymore. I just do the comb twist and the palm rolling, because that's a holistic way of hair care. And I want to practice more holistic care in my salon. He was on his lunch break, guys, and he has to go back to work. So we are rushing the process right now. You get me? But what I did is I blow dry it out a little bit for him. And then I put it in a ponytail that he can keep drying until him finish work. And then when he go home, you can do the rest. But yeah, most of my clients are on the road workers. So sometimes them have the time, them lunchtime, them just book and then book with me. So that's what he did. But he has to go back to work now, so we have to hurry up and, get everything back up. He was like, no, just leave it. Let me go. I was like, you're going to pay for it, so you're going to make sure you neat up and thing. Watch him impatient. He might try to clip it up. I need to get back to work. But anyways, him get back to work on time, and it was all right. But, yeah, today was a good day. But next time him come, he won't have to be on a rush, so we'll able to dry it properly. But there you have it, guys. This is my new client, and I'll be showing you his 6 weeks progress. So, yeah, we'll catch up on the next one, all right? Thanks for joining, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon. Just turn slowly. Man, not to make me dry in here.
Don't worry about it, man.